What's up, guys? Yeah, we have this Denon here, this in-demand series. It's a very nice receiver. It's a modern receiver, model AVR-2112CI. So today, guys, I want to show you guys what's the inside of this receiver. And this receiver, guys, I think needs a cleanup, so we're gonna check it out and we're gonna open it and we're gonna see what's inside of this receiver. So you guys ready? So let's go. All right, guys, so now we're opening this receiver here, and we'll take the screws out. So it has 3 screws, one on the top, one on the bottom. Yeah, there you go. Take this out, and one over here on the other end, the very end. So I don't have my screwdriver with me, so I'm just using this Swiss knife. It comes with a screwdriver. And let's do the back. Start from over here, guys. So let's unscrew this bad boy here. Okay, that's still there. So this receiver, guys, has a big transformer inside. I mean, you guys will see in a minute. So we're just trying to take this out of here. This piece of screw right there. There you go. Okay, so let's take this out. Almost there. Another one was over here, guys. So we got that out. And let's do this one here. Alright. So it's the back one, guys. It's a bit tougher than the both sides. Yeah. So once we get this out, everything will be okay. Alright. There it is, guys. So now let's turn this receiver and let's pull out this cover. So now that we took all the screws in the back, on the back corner over there, now let's pull this cover out so you guys can see what's inside of this receiver, guys. There it is, guys. So it's dusty. As you can see, this huge transformer. And look at these two, guys. They are huge. So that means this thing can throw strong power, and it's good for the sound of the movies or music. So, and some of my receiver, guys, when I open it and clean it, they don't have this. It's all opened, but this one here, guys, it's covered, so you can see. So I have to dust it out and clean this bad boy here, so as you guys can see, this transformer, it's huge. As you can see, the cable here, they are dirty. Look at this, guys. So this receiver, guys, needs a lot of cleaning. A lot of cleaning involved, and it's gonna take time, and that's what I'm gonna do next. So you guys check it out. So here it is, guys. Now we're gonna clean this receiver here, so you guys can see there's a lot of dirt. So let's take that out so you can see the difference when I'm dusting it. Dust is out. Check this out, guys. Let's take this out, guys. See that? It is dusty, guys. Even there. I mean, this guy is the cleaner, the container, the one that you clean for the computer. I think the duster in the can. Yeah, I think I need one of that. So, but for now, guys, I use my brush just to clean it a little bit better, you know, better than before. So you guys can see how the difference between before and now when the dust is gone. Yeah. So I'm still gonna get the duster, guys, because I don't want to stick my brush in there and then break one of this, you know, this thing. Yeah. So if you break one of that, then this thing probably not working anymore. I mean, you have to replace that thing with a new one. You have to be careful cleaning your receiver. There you go. So at least better than before, like I said. And still, I have to go under there. And the only thing I can get under there is to get those duster guys. Okay. I don't want to take this out because they are not easy, guys, to take it out. It's going to be a lot of work. So you just stick that duster there and blow it out. So you guys can see that those parts right there, it is dirty, it is dusty. Yeah. Or the best thing to do is this guy. You can get this fan. See my fan here, guys? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna blast this. Yeah, like that. Just turn it on and then start flying. Yeah, dust is blowing at least. It's blowing, but not 100%. Let's see. No, not really. Not working. So let's turn this off. It's not working, guys. So you really have to stick your brush in there and clean it. Yeah. Look at this guy. Huge transformer. That's the adapter, guys. That is why this thing can blast like huge speakers. I mean, it's not really bad, you know. So let's clean down there. Yeah. And I don't want to really mess with this receiver, guys, because if you break something here, then it might be over. You don't want to do that. You know what I mean? So just get what you can, and later when I get the duster, then I'll start doing it again. So let me use this big brush right now. Yeah, so I can really clean this guy here. Yeah, but still there's some edges that you cannot get anymore. Like the one down there. Can't reach it, so you need a small brush. Yeah, so this guy, I don't want to force it. So there it is, guys, for now, and I'll get the duster later and clean this sucker. Yeah, so let's put the cover back. By the way, before we screw the cover back in, let's check it out the back here. Look at that, guys. It has a lot of outlet for speakers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are surround sound, and we do have different types of plugs here. Outlet for the DVD, SAT, CBL, video, and a different type of outlet here as the video dock. And we have dock here too, DVD, we have audio, and we have BD, SAT, CBL, CD, the antenna for radio, AM, FM, and these are straight cable, kind of like a HDMI, and we do have a lot of HDMI plugs here, or an outlet, so you can plug your HDMI cable or cables for your gaming, as you see. So pretty much this receiver, guys, is legit, you know. I mean, I can't complain. It's Denon. Yeah, very nice piece, guys. So let's put it back, the cover, and let's put the screws back. All right, so there it is, guys. Now we're gonna put the screws back. Okay, over here. There you go, the top one. All right, let's do the back. Okay, the middle one. It's pretty simple, guys, how to clean your receiver. All you have to do is take all the screens out, the screws out. There you go. And then let's use this small screws just to make sure. Okay, like that. So make sure that it's tightened. Yeah. So once that it's all tightened and you're set. Very easy, guys. Okay. All right, guys. So let's turn this bad boy. And let's finish this side here. The other side, right there. Okay, so don't tighten it too much, because if you tighten it too much, then it's gonna be a problem. So let's find the other thing. Yeah, it's down there. Okay, I see it. So let's lift this up. Alright, guys, let's check it out. Okay, let's put it back. So this receiver, guys, it's 80% clean now, compare from before. But I'm gonna redo this again, and yeah, and I'm gonna use duster for this receiver, guys. So there it is, guys. You see how to clean the receiver. It's very simple, very easy, guys. And let's turn this bad boy so you guys can see. Let's go this way. Let's go the other way. Okay. Very simple, you know. Almost there. Okay. Voila. So there it is, guys. Let's turn this bad boy on. Voila. Receiver. It's blinking. It's loading. It takes time. Some of the receiver, guys, it takes time when the electricity goes to the adapter because it's huge. It's gonna take time to load the amount of the electricity that goes to that adapter. All right, guys, so it's done, and I can put back the cable wires in the back and hook it up to the speakers, and I'm good to go. So very simple, guys, and it's just a matter of time. So you just gotta be patient and enjoy what you're doing. So there it is. So that's it. So thanks for watching this video, and you might learn something, even though, you know, it's not much, but still, I mean, you can learn how to clean your own receiver from time to time, and hope that I can help other people out there from watching this video, from cleaning this receiver of mine. And I will see you guys again in the next video. So thanks for watching, guys, and catch you later. Peace out.